Karen Gibson. I am a director at Solar based in Botswana. I'm also the secretary of the Solar Industry Association of Botswana, and I'm currently a consultant on the Soul Train project coordinator in Botswana, forming also part of the core team for the Gender and Diversity Work Package within 5 countries in SIDA. It's a solar thermal project, and I was lucky enough to be nominated to attend a course at KGRTC in 2022, and that course has really informed my position. It was an environmental social impact assessment course, and it gave me a lot of insight in the progression of my career, or the intention of the progression of my career, as well as the project that I'm running on at the moment within the Gender and Diversity Work Package. So I'd really recommend everybody applying for the opportunities that they get, attending the courses, and also just visiting KGRTC, as well as visiting the hydropower station within the area.
Okay. Good morning. I'm Benonta Mapula. I was privileged to be sponsored by SESA. I did 2 courses, off-grid solar systems. This one was in Kafue Gorge, and then the other one that I did online was financial modeling. The off-grid course was very fundamental to helping me run my business on a daily basis, because it helped me have a deepened understanding of the major components that go into system design. You know, the main components that make up a solar system, from panels to sizing the inverter and also the batteries. So I would really like to appreciate SESA for this wonderful opportunity, and then I would like to encourage everyone. You know, it's not, the solar industry needs more people who understand, who have a deeper knowledge of what they're doing, so that we can help the continent at large to take advantage of the sun and do really good things in terms of producing energy. Thank you. Okay, welcome to Solar World Botswana. Come through and have a look. You can take a look around the room so that you show them what we have here. So then you can come back to the panels. We have some panels on display. These are 470. This is a 420 Canadian solar panel, and then this is a 420 JA solar panel. It's monocrystalline. This one is polycrystalline. This one is the smallest one we have. It's 350. Okay, let me show you something else that we have. We have a solar geyser on display. This is a high pressure solar geyser. It comes up with a backup system. This means that you can boost the temperature of the water with the normal electricity, but 100% of the time it is going to be collecting the solar rays through this chute to heat up the water. So this is a very good component, very useful for bringing down the cost of heating water in your house. And then here we have a sample for a solar borehole system. It's a pump and a motor down there, and then these are all the components that are involved in pumping the water out. Here we have some borehole inverters, and then some wheels and connectors for the borehole. And then down here we have a 10 kilowatt 3-phase inverter that we have on display. This one is a 3-phase system for home usage. And then we have a few solar lights on display. These lights, I really like these lights because they come up with a CCTV camera inside. It's a floodlight, but at the same time it can provide you with a camera for you to be on the lookout of whatever is happening in your farm. And then here we have a camera that is powered using mainly solar. And then on the display we have different kinds of inverters for home usage. That is all for now. Thank you so much.
Jimenang, my name is Tata. I work for Motel Facilities and Engineering Management as a trainee engineer. Right now I'm involved as a trainee project manager. What we do as Motel Facilities, we do facilities management, we do consulting for electrical works. We do all sorts of things. I've had the opportunity to do courses with the Kafui Gorge Regional Training Center. I did renewable energy project management, renewable energy project design and development, and also I did power quality and systems stability. The first two I did online, then the latter I did at the training center itself. I've had the chance to get a scholarship from the Skills for Energy in Southern African project, which has aimed at helping women to get involved, get training in energy. The key things that I picked from the courses as a project manager in training, the most that resonated with me was energy business project management, which I used the skills of risk management that I got from the course to implement into my company to improve our service delivery. I would encourage you to, if you are looking for a course in energy or you are looking to go into energy, to take courses from Kafue Regional Training Center, because their course delivery is very excellent. I am sure that by the end of each course, you'll be very satisfied. Thank you.
My name is Same Makuku. I am from Botswana, Gaborone. I'm an electrical engineer by training and by qualification and by experience. And I've worked as a power utility engineer for over 15 years, and then I'm currently an electrical engineering consultant. I have also worked with power system interconnections and power system operations in the utility space, and for yes, that's it. I attended the grid integration for renewable energy systems at Kafue Bosch in 2022. And I would like to thank my sponsor, who was Solar One at the time. They were my employer at the time of the training, and I'm grateful for that exposure. The course was run by SESA at KGRTC, and I got a scholarship. Through social media, I acquired the information on the training. Of that training, I attended the course. It was a week-long course, and what I learned from that course was it was very, very relevant. I mean, with my power systems background, it was a very relevant course because it talked about integration of medium to large scale renewable energy systems, and it looked at all different systems, irrespective of the fact that in Botswana there is a lot of solar and not so much water. It covered a broad base, wind to solar to hydro, and all other energies and backup systems. It was highly technical and highly very informative. I mean, if you are coming from Botswana is a country where the renewable space is very, very young and still very small. So it was quite an eye-opener in terms of the technical aspects, the standards, the equipment selection, to the operations, to the regulatory side of the the systems. It touched on policy development, so it was quite useful and helpful when we forge forward, especially in growing our Botswana solar uptake. I would like again to give a vote of thanks to SESA, to KGRTC for their hospitality, and also to my sponsor at the time, Solar One, a small medium enterprise solar company in Botswana. I would recommend this course for regulators, for individuals who want to develop their skill, especially that the Botswana solar space is growing. In consulting, in advising, both in policy and engineering side of things, for the growth, for the proper and methodical growth of the network. I would also recommend it for especially the utility people, because currently you find that they have a lot of interface projects with the renewable energy, and it's going to happen even in the future. So I would also recommend it for them to be able to appreciate the different aspects, the technical, the operations, and the regulatory aspects. This is called Think Out. I
am Charity Kennedy from Botswana. I have a company called Solar Tree Investments, focusing on supply and solar installation, as well as a training wing, training as the Institute of Energy and Technology Development. I am a beneficiary of a training from KGRTC on financial modeling for renewable energy. I would like to encourage fellow Botswana, fellow Africans, and the SADC region to utilize this opportunity because it's life-changing. There's a lot of exposure to different forms of renewable energy. Particularly for me, what stood out was the hydro command station, which I've never seen in my life. It was my first to see one, which really opened my thinking in the space of renewable energy, and also impacted a lot on the future problems that I'm intending to offer in my institute. And also, if we have passion for the renewable energy space, upskilling is the way, because there is a lot that is happening. Countries are adopting renewable energy, and upskilling to be at par with what is happening, or to be able to align for opportunities that are happening is very critical in advancing our careers.